Had an attic fire today with an air conditioner and heating unit. The fire department responded quick. They got up there, they got it took care of. Pretty proud of these guys. They do what a lot wouldn't. You can see where the smoke's coming out under the attached garage and the water's running out of the vents on top. The thermal's set on black hot. You can see on the north side of this roof how hot it is. The other roofs on the north side are cold. This one's hot, so there's some heat up there. You can see also where the water is running out of the vents. I went to white hot to see a different variation. You can see the hot spot on that roof. It was pretty warm at one time. They about got it out. There's a different variation. You can see the heat on the north side of that one and not the others. There's another one. The best way to compare is look at the other roofs on the north side. They're perfectly cold. Went back to black hot. And then here's white hot again. Everybody give a big hand to the fire department. Good job, guys.